And so there's the unit from down below. You can see it's a pretty cool little setting way up in those trees. Just pretty awesome. It's like way set up in the platform, way up high. They're talking about maybe putting a zip line in from up in there and go all the way across the property with it, but pretty awesome. So there's my little setup here. This deck down here is going to be a big yoga deck, other than all my plastic and stuff out there from all the rains we just had recently. There's the deck out there, all custom woodwork. We did that, built all that out of oak branches from the oak trees. All this wood here down the lower sections and all this, it's all recycled wood. This is all recycled barn and fence wood. Up into our unit up in here, you can kind of see the view just out in the killer view off into the valley. All porched off now. We built, like I said, all out of oak. We just used our treated lumber for our posts. This will be this deck up in here. This is actually going to be enclosed and used as a little unit. We left this open up in here. We're probably going to build a loft up in here, up in this top space. There's going to be a bathroom right here. We let the tree just go right through the deck like that. You can kind of see right up through. Pretty cool. Awesome. You see how far we're up. We're way way up off the bottom here. You're looking at about 40 something feet there. So it's pretty awesome little setup. Okay, this is the lower unit that I'm into. I'm gonna walk you guys over and check it out. Pretty cool. This is the kitchen area up in here. I'm gonna I'll actually walk out, back out, walk in. So here you go. You're walking in to your the porch unit right here. You walk in through the front door. So back up in here, this will be kitchen area back in here. This is a bathroom unit right in here. So kind of check all that out and I can see through the little extra window here. So this will be bathroom unit. Tub will be back here. This is the bedroom area back in here. You can kind of see. So got a pretty good little framed off view. This is the second unit. Like I said, the lower canopy is pretty cool in here. This is 400 square feet. The top unit is a little over 200 square feet, and then of course the deck is makes it a lot bigger. And we're gonna, like I said, this is gonna have a shower tub in the lower unit and be a shower tub in the top unit. Pretty cool. And there's your porch outside, all reclaimed wood. Stepping out off of this little deck here, we're actually gonna put a set of steps to go around. So this is all gonna be built out of tree branches and recycled lumber that we've already picked up and commandeered. All right, Trail Shaman.